Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into Outlier AI to determine whether it's a legitimate platform or a potential scam. We will explore its features, how it operates, who it's designed for, and conclude with our findings. So let's get started. Outlier AI is a platform that connects subject matter experts with projects aimed at advancing generative AI models. Contributors engage in tasks such as generating training data, evaluating AI outputs, and refining model performance. The platform emphasizes remote work, allowing individuals to contribute from anywhere. To get started with Outlier AI, submit your resume and relevant qualifications. Depending on the project, you might need to pass a screening exam or participate in a virtual interview. Successful applicants are grouped into squads led by experienced squad leads who guide contributors through project requirements, engaged in various tasks from data annotation to evaluating AI-generated content. Projects vary in length, and upon completion, contributors may have opportunities to join additional projects. Key features of Outlier AI include diverse project opportunities, work on a range of projects across different domains, flexible remote work, contribute from anywhere, and allowing for a better work-life balance. Skill-based matching projects are assigned based on your expertise and interests. Community support, collaborate with a team and receive guidance from a squad lead. Outlier AI is tailored for subject matter experts, individuals with expertise in specific domains looking to contribute to AI development. Freelancers those seeking flexible remote work opportunities. AI enthusiasts, people interested in the inner working of AI and eager to play a role in its advancement. While Outlier AI offers promising opportunities, it's essential to address some concerns. Some contributors have reported challenges with timely payments and task evaluations. Tasks may involve creating or evaluating sensitive content, which can be distressing for some individuals. The platform and its parent company have faced legal challenges related to labor practices and content moderation. It's crucial for potential contributors to be aware of these issues and assess their comfort levels before engaging. In conclusion, Outlier AI operates as a legitimate platform connecting experts with AI development projects. However, it's not without its challenges. Prospective contributors should conduct thorough research, understand the nature of task and the platform's expectations, assess personal boundaries, be prepared for tasks that may involve sensitive content, stay informed, keep abreast of any legal developments or changes in platform policies. Engaging with Outlier AI can be rewarding, but it's essential to proceed with caution and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive review of Outlier AI. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into emerging platforms and technologies.